Hey, second grade. Last week we drew our cones. I want you to pull those out, and we're going to be finishing this today. You are going to need one pure color. It can be any color that you want, but I would recommend that it be a darker color, a bold color, like a green or a red or a blue. Nothing really light, like the light greens, or yellow would be really hard. So try to pick a bold color. You'll also want your white and black crayon, and then a brown for your cone. Once you have those, we are going to be making a tint and shade cone, ice cream cone, okay? So we're going to start with our tints. Tints are where we have white added to our pure color. So what you're going to do, and I know you can't really see it, but you're going to color that first ice cream scoop white with your crayon. So I'm going to go ahead and color that first one white. And I can't really see if I'm missing any spots, so I'm just trying my best to get it all colored in white here. Then I'm going to take my pure color and I'm going to push super lightly, so I'm barely getting any color on there, just over my white. Very lightly, staying in my lines. I don't want to see a dark blue. I want it to be very pale, very light. This is my tint, so it should be the lightest one that I can get. Alright, so that's very light. You can barely see it. On the next one, I'm just going to go with blue, and I'm still going to color lightly, but it's going to be a little bit darker because there isn't any white there. So I'm still coloring lightly, but see how much darker that color is because there wasn't any white crayon under it. Make sure that when you're coloring, you're getting all the white spots. I'm going kind of fast so that you can see what I mean, but I want you to take your time and really color it in neatly, okay? You want to make sure that you're getting a 3 or a 4 on your coloring skills. So this one is the lightest. This one's the next lightest. This one, I'm going to still just use blue, but I'm just going to push a little harder. Now, I'm not pushing as hard as I can. I'm just making it bolder. I'm actually going to do the same thing here, so I'm going to come down into this one too right away, because this one I'm pushing the same amount of hard, okay? So this is where I'm going to get into my shades now. So I'm getting a lot darker than my first two, okay? I'm going to go over this bottom one just a little bit more. Then I'm going to take my black and I'm going to very lightly just add in a little bit of black crayon. Again, very lightly, just like I colored lightly up here, I'm going to color lightly down here. Okay? I'm just going to add in a little bit of black. It shouldn't look black, it's just very light. Then you can color the bottom of your cone with the brown and you'll be all done with your cone. When you're all done coloring the cone brown and your tints and your shades, go ahead into Seesaw and turn it in the assignment. Have a great day. Bye.